Boona. You know, prepare for that. He said she afraid of camera, I see people.
I bless the love it's tonight, man, Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to DJ SWICKED vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down. It's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See
Fire burner we got.
Greetings, 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 my beautiful people out there in the world. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful Friday morning this morning, people. And you don't know, another day with the little princess again. You know what I mean? So, people, stay tuned on DJ SWICKED vlogs out there. You know, me and the little princess. So, stay tuned, people. As me show you how me and I go out this morning. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, make sure you start like up the channel, people. Do the right thing. Yeah, make sure you leave a comment. Tell me what you think this morning about our hairstyle, about our little swag. Yeah, man, that video is almost too long, but at least me have to show you what I want. So stay tuned, people. Yeah, man, make sure you leave a comment, you know. If you never yet click the subscribe bell, make sure you do the right thing now, people. That is it, you know. You see it? We active out there. We really walk on the road. Yeah, people. Yeah, really. Come in. Yeah, people, yeah, see little princess out this morning, pig ears, people. Yeah, man. So you know the thing, go. Yeah, but active people. Yeah, little princess out this morning, people. Swagging, you know. Yeah, man. Watch the vehicle, baby. Yeah, it's a park vehicle, people, so nobody cost me. Yo! Yeah, man, I just want to see what I go on. You see it? Yeah, man, as soon as we reach up on the road, I just hold around and think. Yeah, people, so you don't know that is it. Baby girl, I step out. You know the thing already. Yeah, man, that is it, people. So can I get a front view while little girl, you know? Really take time walk. She a try to race with the people. Yo! She a try to race walk with Dada. Because she realized that me a try to video her, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, me a video you. Active people, my daughter get hold for me, you see it? And I can't reason good you know. And then something there. I have to go hold her now, people, so stay tuned. Active, you know, man. Active, man, little princess people, you know the thing. Yeah, man, I know about that jealous and say, oh, you know not see her and mommy, you know, but you don't know. Daddy just like to play that role, you know. That is it, people. Yeah, man. That is it. And we out here, people, without fear, you know. Doing the right every time. Positive. Yeah, you don't know that are the best, you know. Yeah, man. So me out here, people. And just I go and continue to do the right thing, you know. Yeah, man. Go and play a good daddy role, you know. Yeah, man. So all of the good stepfather them out there. All of the proud daddy them out there. Yo, continue to do the right thing, you know, man. As me tell you, know, you don't know, you know, God must repay you know, one day, is it? Yeah, man. It's all about the great work where you do on this. Yeah, man. Left your name on it, not really say. You must left it with a youth, because enough man no most capable of making a youth, but, you know, make certain you play that father role. Because it's very important, you see me? Yeah, man, be a father for the youths, them. Because the youths, them need a father, yo. See too much crime and violence are going on, people. Because the youths, them now have no daddy, so you wanna. Fathers, wise up, you know. DJ SWICKED vlogs are telling you, yeah. The right thing, man. You know, me always out here without fear, you know. I'm there on the road right now. Me and the little princess. As you know, you can see, me I wait on the vehicle fear and thing. Yeah, man, I want to tell you, say she ready here one. Oh, I go, you know, and I wait. Me I try to call the vehicle, man, and people, no. Me no get no answer. Be a voicemail, just straight voicemail. And me like, yo, this man not care people, school, kids and no answer on phone, but any little thing can happen to, so me nah just put the blame on him. Me just go and know say yo anything can happen, so just go there. So just hope for the best, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, and we active, man. Right now, me and under load, so I'm free up some of my load. I can't make you see what I go on to, you know, cause I tell you, man, me I play a daddy role, you know, people. Daddy role. You see me? I be like, when I see what I go on. Yeah, man, pro daddy, me I tell you, man, see little princess there. Yeah, man, you know a daddy princess, that's straight down. Yes, man. So people, me out here always I try to do the right, you know. Stay away from certain things. And you don't know, try live up. Because what you do today, you live half of tomorrow, you know. So, good things, me say, you know. So the youth saying can live and see say boy stepdaddy always do some great things. But then can follow after, you know? Yeah man, so that is it. Big up yourself, my general. Yeah man, we out here people, you know what they do already. DJ SWICKED vlogs, you know, and you know famous in our community. People know we like that, so yeah man, we active man. Active people. So here you know, just continue to do the right thing, you know. Like, share. Please leave a comment, people. Yeah, man, as me I tell you, no. Yeah, man, sometimes it's hard for the little princess to go to school and thing. But, you know, me not to pressure the system. Me I just be easy, smooth, and make God do the work for me, you know. Because, see, when you're blessed, you know. Yeah, man, and me I tell you, say, I know the looks do it. Because sometimes you judge the book by the cover, you know. So, it's best, you just search out the person, see the type of person, and nobody in life now get nobody we're perfect. You see me? So we have to know them things, the people. You see me? Make a wise decision in everything we do. You see me? Yeah man, big up my baby mother, you know, cause yeah man, choose a lady there for a wise purpose. You know? So that is it, man. We out here active. Up there, Jenna. Normal man, normal, a bike man, a stop. Yeah man, you know. Yeah. We out here people. Same here again. Put your over your mouth if you're yawning, boo. Yeah, nice girl. Yeah. I wanna say a big respect, big respect, big respect to some loyal people. Loyal people in Canada. Yeah. Mommy and daddy. Yeah man. Soon drop your vlog coming up shortly, you know. Yeah man, and I tell you it's a blessings and this bridging is a I would say Christian type bridging. Yeah man, enough blessings. You always been a pleasure. A pleasure being there. You know, always supporting your little daughter, you know, from the back to school. Yeah, you're always there. Always checking up, always see if everything alright. Not gonna call a name because you don't want your name to be called. Yes, but it's a blessings to you, my big bro. Yeah, man, enough blessings to you, enough blessings. Hope God continue to shower you guys with blessings. Yeah, mommy and daddy. Yeah, man, it's a blessings also to you guys. Yeah, man, you know yourself, you know, and hope God continue to shower you guys with blessings always, you know. Yeah, man, may I tell you, it's been a joy, happiness. You know, enough people can't really talk like me because some people don't know if you give God thanks, you know. But you see me as a youth, I appreciate the love of others. You see, when you love yourself, you're going to love other people, you know. And I love myself and I love my family. And I decided to make a change so I can live if I even little longer, you know. Because I live and see my grandfather live to 88, I think. And it was not an easy road for him, but you know, him go through it until him pass on. And what I really love, if you can, you know, live to see grandkids, may I tell you, yeah man, that would be a great joy. You know, if God make me see great grand well or so, but I mean, yeah man, we have to try start from somewhere. Try pre-life, you know, also live a little longer. Because crime and violence take over the youth's mind. Blessings and my family. Take over the youth's mind. Them not really grateful for nothing again. Them watch you work hard for your own and want to take it and all of that. So, me as a youth, I try to motivate youths in every way, show them so them can go river, go through a line, them can go sea, go through a line. You know what I mean? It's a motivation vlog, so yes man, we out here people and we're doing the right, you know? Yeah man, active. Yes, my daughter. You want the phone? You want daddy phone? Eh? Daddy phone? Yo. She need that phone. She a clap for that. You want a count for the people? You want a count? You shy? No, take your finger out your nose. So, me your nose? Alright, make that look on it for you. See him way. I no joke. Yeah man, see him way, sir. Pleasure people, it's a pleasure. Look why I'm there for us. You know, make you hear that little piece of conversation a little while, you know. Yeah man, somebody want me just stop it and turn the camera off and see how, you know. Yeah man, but me kinda little slow. But that's it man, we out here man, fully active. Yes no man. My little princess people. And always been a pleasure. You out here doing the great things. Yeah man. Always been a pleasure, my people. So you know what that is it, you know, man. Out here active DJ SWICKED vlogs in the place. You know it's a joy and happiness when I can there around the little princess. You know, me now go there in the vehicle today for carry her school because you don't know. We have a vehicle man for carry her, but people as you can see, blessings cause as you can see people. Yeah man, I want to tell you say vehicle man ever take long for come a morning time, sometime 9:30, sometime 10 o'clock people. And it don't look good. If you know say ready baby from 7:30 and then you know we in at 9:30 she have to go to school. It don't look good but I feel just go on, you know, well faith, you know. 'Cause that is the best in people when you can hold faith and you know what you want. You see it? Next step, me feel like say me fi just try and deed my license still, you know. That one thing when me happy. Need to deed my license people. Yeah man, need to move to that. Cause you know fi my little daughter I suffer so a morning time and you know, evening time, you know, really like the idea. You know, and blessed is the child we have his own, you know. So me not go bad mind I want for where them have or anything. But you know, as a real youth, you are going to have your own thing, you know. So yeah man, that me I try focus on. Try put in some hard work and thing. The hard work you put in, you know, bring forth success, you know, and prosperity. So yeah man, I want to do it so when time I left this earth, my youth then can say daddy, well done, you know. Yeah man. Before me left and can say daddy, you done a great job, you know. Yeah man. So yeah man, I go and do the right thing, people open a full jar, the positive reason and all of that. Yeah. You don't know DJ SWICKED vlogs always I try bring forth some positive things. Yeah man, the one you know it now go so lively to know for the viewers them and thing, but just like as you watch. You know what I mean? Because you don't know positive we say you know and we need to see more fathers that step out and do things like this. More stepfathers that do some great job and just keep the thing going. Cause too much crime all over the world, not just my country alone. So I love to see the changes. Yeah, man, so the father them needed in a youth them life. Sometimes them facing all of that. But you have to bend the chief and it young. You see it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, so you know that survives my people. Mm-hmm. That is it. So we out here, people. Give me this CD. Come now. Give me this, man. You're too rude. I say people she go on like a she rule me, you see? No. Bobby, give me. Look on her face, people. I think this girl easy. Jeez, I'm no. Don't put name on. Yeah, man, straight. Dirty. Yeah, man. So keep it real, man. We out here, man. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you like and share the channel. You see it? That is fully. Yeah, man. No, my fans them a pass and I bless me up, see America. I know when I go party and I shell it in and nothing normal, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. I just say overseas date them, I never get it still, but that in the pipeline, you know, very soon. Peeps, she said she want to sit down. B, I want to sit down. Well, see how your people sitting down. Hey. Me say this a little girl that are easy at all, people. I tell you, she has something else. But it's a blessings, you know. When you can acknowledge you would say, you know. Yeah, man, I tell you. And Father great, anyway you them, man, give thanks for the heart and the mind where you give me, you know. Yeah, man, tell you it's a blessings, peeps, you know. And yeah, man, things so nice, so wanna start a whole heap of family vlog and them thing there, you know. You know the thing, man. And as me say, we just want to keep the thing real. We don't hurt and all of that. But we not make it look like, say, yo, we are rush nothing. We just want patient, you know. You know me there do my general. There man I go and hold it, you know. For my daughter. I'm like showing her eyes. You see me say me no know. Me just love her eyes. And so I see me if you be there, they look when me smile like that. Yo. Yeah. You see me feet wet up biscuit people. Look what she a give me. She know me I eat it, you know. Watch me. Cause we not joking, you know, people. I am man, my little princess, this man. What she a watch me, you know, me show no what I go on. Yeah, people, she said if you eat the biscuit, you know, see, she give me a piece of her biscuit, cause so she stay, she like share with me, you know. So, yeah, man, she give me a piece of her biscuit, people, so. One go, people. People, they must have said DJ's wicked vlog is greedy, you know. Don't know, man, we have to spice the vlog, people. Yeah, make it daddy, you know. No joke. Keep it spicy. Keep it spicy. Keep it spicy over here. You know what I mean? DJ's wicked vlogs, you know, people. Good morning. Oh, yeah, my people. My bossy daughter that brush off her clothes. Because I know she there eating the biscuit like while people. Side up her clothes. Little princess up and running people, I lie. Nah, man, I lie. Yeah, man, Mojo. You don't know. Natalie. Jesus Christ, man. It's a vibe, it's a pleasure. You know? Yeah, man, I happy years that people. And thing, little princess active, man. Nah, man, I lie. Lunch bag there's on her school bag. Yeah, man, and she a go and drink up on one juice. Have fun. You know the thing go. Yes, no, man. I am blessed. I am blessed to get a daughter like this. I am blessed. Trouble. Yo, where be you? Oh, you see Geico? You know, you know easy though. Yeah, good, you know. People, I we around the corner, I said she spot that man from afar, you know. And I said, B. And I show me, say, watch your head back. There, I know, bro. Yeah, man. That is it. You know the thing.
Alright. Me the pass on run here, so later we'll link up again here. Yo, Swicked.
That is it, you know, bro. See him way, see him way. Yes, my people, them there, man. I go and hold a high revive me and the little princess. You know the thing, go? Yeah, man. Hmm? A little high revive me and the princess out here, people. Out here without fear, you know? Yeah, man, it's a pleasure, man. All of my beautiful donors, them big up on yourself, enough love and blessings. Joy and happiness, me I tell you, know, it's a blessings. You know? Wanna make this possible, you know, man. Yeah, wanna make this possible, you know, peeps. Wanna make this possible, I swear to God. Yeah, man, look how a little princess clean her out. Clean her out, me say clean her out. The little princess say she clean her out. Trouble! Ah, dear. Talk shoot, no, man. You them look nice, you nice, you know, man. You know what thing go. Proud father, read them way they still, you know. Yeah, man. And every time things are go up, you know, peeps. Sometime it a go down. You see me? You don't know born come be poor, you know. And you see grandmother or grandparents or mother or so rich, you know, but we want to break that cycle, the peeps. Yes, man. That cycle you have to break. Yes, no, man. Don't near. Yes. Daddy princess. What daddy do? What dada do? What dada do? You want to sit down? Alright. Let me go sit down me and you ease a little bit. People here, boo, no? Not prepare for that. He said she afraid of camera, see people. He hear me there one time and just put a little princess pan taxi. You want to hear bye, daddy? Later, daddy? Yeah, man. So, baby mother come out. Morning. Yeah, good little while, yeah. And I want to say, we just do one little vlog with her, see me, you know. Yeah, man. So that is it, people. Yeah. One night time this did work, you know. Yeah. But we out here, people, as you can see. She always see us, she just hate camera. Yeah, man. But today are people, and we active, you see it. That is it, man. So, people, just continue go and show the love. As they are going to show the love, you see me? Make sure, you know, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment saying, yeah, man, sooner or later.
Yeah, me. Raz Vital, don't. Out there I represent to the fullest for DJ SWICKED vlogs, you know. Real life something done. And the bodies mix them so. Make sure you go over our channel and check out that something there. You don't know. No regrets, not there. Up full, Raz Vital. Hey!